All right, so due to all the questions yesterday about that I got messaged to me about what using the foot ascender was like, so just to make it clear, it was difficult for me because I was only using the foot ascender. I knew that, you know, going ahead and getting a knee ascender and a chest harness and doing it the right way would probably make my life a lot easier, because yesterday using just this was pretty difficult. So after some research, I came up with a little system to SRT up the tree, and it's made my life a lot easier doing it this way, so in the absence of a knee ascender or a chest harness. So the basic tools that I'm going to use to go up this pine right here, I've already got the line set, is obviously the CT foot ascender. Is the right foot ascender. This is what goes around my neck, and attached to it is accessory carabiner. Anyways, get the idea. And then this is just another little section of rope with a large loop at this end, a small loop at this end. This loop is where my left foot goes through, and this is connected to the carabiner that connects whatever device you're using to your rope bridge. You're gonna have to play around with the length on, if you make one of these, you're gonna have to play around with the length. But anyways, this acts as a makeshift knee ascender. So other than that, it's just the regular shit that I use to climb. I'll be back once I get all this set up and get in the tree.